Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to clean off sheetrock mud from concrete in a new construction home. Now for this job, you'll need a couple things. For this job, we will be using some water, a trowel, a sponge, and a rag. So your best course of action to get sheetrock mud off of concrete is to try to catch it when it's wet. That way you can scrape it up and just wash away the residue from it. If it dries, it's going to be a little bit harder to clean up. The first step is to go ahead and take your trowel and scrape up the excess wet mud on the concrete. Then we're going to grab our water and our sponge and spray the area. You want to spray a lot of water on there so that way the drywall mud can disperse into the water and you can wipe it up with your sponge and your rag. Now we'll just scrub the area, try and get out of any grooves that are on the concrete. You can always add more water to it and help break it up. After it's mostly gone, there should be just a little bit of white film left over there from where the mud has dispersed into the water. Grab your rag and just wipe that excess up. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with this project.